Hi guys, it's Jack from Microcade, and today we're at Makerfaire Rome representing and showcasing the Microcade project. So what is the Microcade? It's this little cute arcade machine made out of 100% PCB. And what you do is you grab it and you slap it and you can make your own little version of this. You get all the components you need, and you can even learn how to code using our fun platform that we have. And these are all the games that you get on the console. Look at that. 33 plus games. And we have awesome different themes. This is Mystic Balloon, an awesome little cute platformer. And we also have Road Trip, which is a driving game. We also have one more, which is our brand new one for December. If we go over here, we have these awesome posters. Mystic Balloon, Ardinia, a Zelda type game, and Road Trip. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you at Makerfaire Rome or on our website at playmicrocade.com. Thank you.